Welcome to the Linden. This is a home designed by Woodside. It's in Syracuse. The price is $534. There are different elevations. It's 2,200 square feet. The master is on the main and it's a 2-story. So let's go take a look at this. I think you'll really like the finishes. There are a ton of options and I'll try to hit those as I go through. This is the entryway and we're gonna walk through to the kitchen area. And what they've done under the stairs here is there's a lot of different options here, but this is just a little doggy area. Let me turn around here so you can see the entry. Right here, you can actually do an office space if you wanted to, a desk or a drop zone. They did dark cabinetry here and in here that goes to the ceiling. Love the chunky crown molding at the top. You've got GE appliances in here. Nice space for a dining and family room. Let me just turn around here so you can see the pantry area. They put a glass door on here in the pantry. I don't know that I would do that. I think I would just do a door because my pantry never looks that good. And before we head into the master that's on the main here, I'm going to zoom up here so you can take a look at those high ceilings here. So actually this space up here, you can do a room up there, an extra bedroom. So right now this is a 3-bedroom home. And this is a great outdoor living space. There is not a ton, these are smaller lots, so there's not a ton of yard, but it's a great, they've done here, great sitting area, and then you've got a little patch of grass here. Let's head to the master bedroom. It's right off the kitchen. Done really cute ceilings. The roof is pitched. And this is a king-size bed, so if that gives you an idea of the space, you've got plenty of area to walk around. Let's just take another look over here. Let's head into the master bathroom. Woodside often puts lighting under their cabinetry, which is nice, and that would be an upgrade as well. But you can design this how you want. You can have a really long walk-in shower with a door or without a door. You can do just a tub shower combo. All in one. You can do 2 sinks here instead of the vanity. And then walk-in closet. And it's not a bad size, really. And you've got a washer and dryer in here, which is great. So you're not hauling your laundry upstairs because there will be a laundry room up there. So let's go take a look upstairs. As we're heading upstairs, I wanted to just show you there is a half bath down here on this floor plan, which is great for guests. So let's head upstairs now. Okay, around this corner is the loft area. Super cute, nice and open, lots of windows. Now, this is a 3-bedroom currently as we're looking at it, but this is where you would put a 4th bedroom here, and you can put a bedroom and a bathroom for another master suite or guest quarters. So that's an option. Here's the cute bathroom, and they've done a super cute, I love that tile. Gives a little charm and personality. And then off to the left right here is a really nice laundry room. And through that door is some extra storage area. You've got a nice linen closet here for extra towels and games and just storage. These homes out here do not have basements. The water table is just too high. And we'll just show you here, mechanical room. So they've got an extra AC up here. A good builder will give you 2 ACs if it's a 2-story. And they also have a walk-in closet. I've worked with Woodside on a number of transactions, and all my clients have been really happy. They have great sales agents, and their pricing is really, really good right now. Let's just take a look at this entryway. A beautiful, bright entryway. That completes this. It's called the Linden. It's 2,200 square feet, and currently, as of July 2022, the pricing starts at $534. There are different elevations, which means a different outside. There's traditional, a prairie, a farmhouse, and there's one more I can't remember. But yeah, great home builder, and they're building a lot of homes. This is located in Syracuse. It's west of Bayview. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the tour. I did. See ya.